so okay. Oh. Oh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Asha, and today we're gonna be playing with new stuff that I got recently. I finally got the Pat McGrath. What is it called? Rest Your Up C. I got this. The names are at the back, which I don't really care for. They're kind of annoying because you have to go back and forth, But I'll try. I will list them on my in the description box. P. Louise eyeshadow primer in the shade 2. I got the giant. Just that much, not too much. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Yeah. Start with this shade. That one. Well, it picks up a lot, that's for sure. That's a nice color. I may picked up a lot, but yeah. Any suggestion as to what kind of videos you guys want to see on my YouTube channel? Please let me know. That shade. Ooh, that's nice. It's like a dark chocolate color. I'm just putting it in the crease, not to go above the other one, just underneath, just to create some kind of dimension. Too Faced glitter glue. Oh, by the way, I'm not much of a talker. I think I said that, I mentioned that on my other video, but yeah, I'm trying. Okay, I am trying. That's all I can do. Keep trying. Okay, it's pretty. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a beautiful color. I think it's one of those that might fall out, so it's better to use some kind of a... What do you guys think? Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer is the illuminating one. Oh, look at that nice glow. I have a giant forehead, people. Giant forehead. Chanel's foundation have a scent, so let's go with the concealer. Covenant Quan concealer, the original one, in the shade SX11. Yeah. Use my Beauty blender to blend it out. La Prairie translucent powder, the original one. New Hourglass. Third time that they're trying to be exclusive from last year. Last year they came out volume 2. I'm talking about what's it called, the lighting palette in the volume 3. I haven't, since I got it, I haven't used it, so we'll use it together today. This is how it looks. The middle is the bronzer one. Bronzer. I think they need to try four times, because this will not work as a bronzer. Will not work as a bronzer for me, at least. So far, well, we'll see. It might look different on my face, but we'll try. Well, it does something. Okay, maybe I should use another brush. This, what is it called? Sony Gia Face Pro brush. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush on this side, see if it will actually show up. It shows up tiny bit. That's it. That's all you get. Let's see if I build it up. Will it work? It just gives it a little kick. That's about it. But if you are darker than me, don't bother. Keep your money, because it's not worth it. As you can see, just tiny bit. Honestly, it is not worth it whatsoever. But at least I can say they're trying, right? Oh, they're trying, but they need to try harder. Yes, they do. Light Edition Universe Unlock. Yeah, Universe Unlock, which is I think the darkest one they came out with. I think some of the shades might be repeat. I don't know. I've seen some people say some of them are repeat. I don't know why they keep doing that, but okay. I'll do swatches. Okay. That's the powder blush, the two blushes, and that's supposed to be a bronzer. Right. This is supposed to be the bronzer one. I don't know bronzer for who, but and then this is, I think, is the highlighter. So this is the bright pink one. Let's see. It's a nice wash of pink. I like it. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. Should I zoom you guys in? Nice, okay. Now I'm gonna use another brush for the other side. It's not the same brush, but at least it does the same thing for me, at least when it comes to application part. So, okay. Oh, it picked up a lot. I don't know know if it doesn't show much on the camera, but in person, damn. Whew, it is pigmented. You have to be careful. Just making it even. Whew. Oh boy. Okay. Now I'm gonna use, let me just set my face. I'm gonna use the, what's it called, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna use the just to press in. I'm gonna use the highlighter, see how it looks. So I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills 823. Okay, let's try highlighter part right now. Okay, here goes nothing. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a nice one. Yeah, let's see how that looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. The powder and the bronzer don't do jack shit for me, but the blushes and the highlighter, gorgeous. I like. And with the Huda Beauty Rich Brown lip liner. Sephora brand lips, what is it? Lip stain, I think it's called. Sheet 26. It's like a nice rich brown. This glass from Dose of Color Macchiato. Oh, it smells nice though. This is the finished look. Yeah, this is all I got. I know I wasn't talking much, but then again, like I said before, I'm not really much of a talker. But yeah, anyways, if you're still around, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell for my future uploads. Until next time, take care. See you. What am I doing again? I don't know what this is, but hey, I'm trying, okay? This is my this is a comfort out of my comfort zone, but I'm trying anyway. Until next time, take care. Deuce.